you get a lot of video.
Get some trash bags down and have a slip and slide, like
Yeah.
like we were kids.
Well, I'll get a video then.
Good night, Andy.
Yep, see ya, take care.
Yep.
I almost wonder if Nancy wants to get over here, you're better off sliding that over.
First you got four.
Unless it's rain down there, rather than it goes up and comes around.
Go, I wanna see the bathroom. They go in the bathroom.
I'm not going in the bathroom.
Which do you have more of a
Why
relief?
is it
The
there?
elevator or
Is
your
that
house?
dripping
Yeah, I
from the
just
bottom?
definitely go there first.
I wonder if there's like air bubbles coming from the carpet.
I don't know. They're not fish in there. I don't know.
Oh.
I thought that was your whole door.
Well, usually that's pretty much.
A big one. Ours come from Sam's Club.
Oh, not bad.
Hi, Maggie.
Hello.
We're having a flood at the Farnham Plaza.
Put it on Twitter.
Ironically, on the day that we're supposed to get figures about our renewal to the lease.
I know, it's just suspicious. Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, it's one of the F sandbags or something.
I don't think I have any in my car. Somehow.
Pretty bad down there. James Martin Davis floor. It's coming out of the light like.
We should call the news. We could
That's
sell
true.
this.
We're going on.
Are you taking video?
Well, 20 minutes.
Oh, come on, it's been a half hour. Chet came and got me 20 till 4. When did you come and get me? Was it like 20 till 4? I mean till 5?
Yeah.
I don't know the time.
It was over a half hour ago.
Yeah.
I was walking out the door at 5:35.
4:35.
Yeah. And they were going at the point.
Okay, so it's been
It's still got. They're
Yeah.
at the bathroom. We've got it dammed up. And it's probably 6 inches down
In
in the bathroom.
It's this deep in the bathroom. What?
So when, hey Todd,
Yeah.
Yeah, so I
when
flushed
he
the toilet
opens
bowl.
that door, we're gonna
and
get a surge.
It was like
Yeah. I mean,
it was like
already
the
overtopping
pipe, you know, where it
already
screws
coming up.
into.
It's
Just like
coming over the top.
I just flushed
I'm
it.
just
and
wondering if we'll get a tidal wave down here.
Well, that's
We'll get a
Because
tidal
they
wave.
said that one's
so
messed up
we.
before.
Do we have any brooms or any
Pushers.
to push it all down the elevator?
Probably janitor's
Maybe in the basement.
closet.
That's what we need. If we could get the maintenance people or something.
It's like coming down the ceilings on the elevators here.
I do worry about this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's in there?
Electrical.
Electrical.
Reason I moved from the pedals.
They shut it on. Yeah, you can hear it from here.
Well, then that building person said, well, you don't need to know where the shut off is. So I think the person who gets me is like, you're running around trying to figure out which one.
Who's coming? Building person or?
Wouldn't that be funny if nobody was coming to our rescue?
There's this for pushing. Push it, man. Push it.
You just come on and just start pushing all that way.
I'm not gonna cuss you probably.
Water speed.
See, it's stuff like this that interrupts editing.
We've already gone down the elevator shaft. It's already gone down to the first floor.
It's getting into the electrical closet.
You need more papers or anything or something? Maybe more newspapers?
Water jugs. Something heavy, yeah. Any newspapers that aren't in use, I take.
You want a water jug or two?
Is he calling too?
He's talking to someone. My wife is waiting for me. Do you want me to come back and help with recovery?
No.
No.
I think you're alright. I don't know any plumbing, so. As long as we keep it in here,
Go grab that base amp.
we're fine.
Yeah. I think you're
We
gonna
could
get
use
a
that for
big
weight right
wave
now.
coming out of it.
Oh, there we go. In the water here, seriously, insurance.
I think you'll
Yeah.
get a surge coming over here.
But when they open that door, whoever opens it, I mean,
I just wondered.
they'll have to shut the water off before they
Yeah.
open the door.
Well,
They're gonna have to, yeah.
you would hope.
I would think there'd be a way to get it shut off. remotely.
Yeah, down in the lower
Yeah,
level, where
yeah.
all this stuff is.
It's definitely slowed this direction.
Or damn.
It's like looking at a pond, because you can see little, like, what looks like bugs on it, you know? It's like,
Yeah.
what is that?
I think it's air from there.
Production did hit 31 today.
Despite the flood,
Yep.
Great flood.
You know,
That was a good way.
that's pretty good though.
Just watch out for grasshoppers. Not the other plague. I'm not going
just got
to
to
the
bed
men's
again.
bathroom.
Someone's in there.
It was
I
my
don't
fault
care.
today.
I've smelled.
Once he gets here and sees it, he'll be like,
Well, once the guy's on it. the
I
guy
can
on
tell
the
you
floor.
this though, we're probably on the best floor.
Except up here.
What's that?
Except,
Yeah, that's true. People above are better off than we are.
Yeah.
I mean, the people like on floor 3 or something, if there are people on floor 3, have got to be going like, what in the world is going on?
What's going on 5?
bad stuff.
We went to, yeah, and it's the law offices, but we didn't see anyone there.
Bad
Get
stuff.
out! Did you have to rescue anybody?
We didn't tell him.
You checked it?
I mean, when I went down to the
Come on, kids, you're coming with me.
when I went down to the lower level, what, 15, 20 minutes ago, I could hear it dripping. That's 60 feet down.
In the bathroom on the 5th floor, it sounds like a waterfall. And
Well,
it's
when
coming right out the
Chad
lights.
came over and went like this. I thought he was gonna like saying like kiss my ass or I'm out of here. And I'm like, you leaving or?
Like, you gotta come here.
He
Like,
was soaking wet. Was what he was
Yeah.
trying to show me, but I couldn't see it from Matt's desk. I'm like looking at the sun. This is coming through.
It's gonna smell nice in here tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that water jug. What? Put that. It's got a current to it now.
Yeah. Well,
as you can see it coming.
It must be over the top. It might be coming out of those vents.
Oh, yeah, about that van.
Alright, Dan, I'm gonna look and see if I can get some news.
Alright, next line of defense, we'll start building here.
Maggie, lay down. Sacrifice yourself.
Hold it for now.
I know.
we don't have any more soda, do we?
Not that I'm aware of.
It's up over, in the bathroom, it's up over the 12 packs.
Is it all just clean water?
No, there's not shit water. It's,
Oh, it's all clean.
it's in water, not out water.
Yeah. That'd be awful, man.
Then it would really smell good.
Yeah.
With no ventilation.
It's really cold, too.
Yeah,
Really
it's
cold.
freezing water.
It's like,
And I was sitting there trying to hold the trash can over it, and I knew it was just gonna come into the trash can and falling out on the floor. But so I took the trash can away, and I was like, you know, you have your mouth open, and he goes, I wasn't gonna tell you that, but Maggie, what did you do?
It was that one.
you might want to take the elevator, that elevator if you can. Or the stairs.
I'm gonna take the stairs.
Yeah.
Peek your head into every floor and see if you can hear the.
Gonna post these on Facebook?
It is. It's
Maybe.
It's falling down. You should go down to the
Or
5th
Twitter.
floor. Take a look at that real
See,
quick.
the 5th floor wasn't as
Okay.
impressive as the